lot of improvement, brother.
Yes, improvement.
Yeah,
Yell up, funky up crew. Yell up all my brethren them.
man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, respect to all of you. Together we live, and together we learn, and together we can earn. Good friend is better than pocket money. Remember, silvers and gold will go away, but a good friend is here to stay. Yes.
We like that talk, them, brother.
Yes, just says so.
Yeah, man. Every time.
Furious Funk Night.
Every
Yes.
time.
EP, we want to continue on
Yes.
the go because Shakin Murray is here and you know says large up respect without borders.
All right.
Good. So Shaka, how the business are going? How you see the business for the 2020? It's 2-2, you know, pure 2-2 and
Yeah, 2 appear 2-0
you know,
and 2-0.
a start. So 2 and 2 is 4.
Well, you know, I mean, the business look bright. It look good. It's a good look, you know, because lately I'm putting in a lot of works.
Cause future no partial, you know.
No partial coming out in the future.
Future.
So I just put in the work and, you know, lately I'm doing a lot of recordings, you know what I mean? And right now I'm working with a producer, a young producer called Great One.
Great.
One of the roughest, toughest young producer right now in the business.
Where him live?
Well, him come from Snowhill in a Portland, but him reside in a New York. See?
So, well, now we have a great understanding. So, well, you're coming from the root of the roots.
Yes, I.
Yes.
And, you know, blood thick and water, so big up yourself, Great One, because some of them some of the latest songs them, what me I do right now, a Great One I produce them. One of the great. That's what me I say.
And like I wouldn't say it's the best of you because I know the best is left to come.
Yeah, man.
From Shakin Murray, you've been treading a long way on the musical journey. And I respect for your keep going because although you was out 2 years, it no sound so at all. One me I wonder if you tell with the truth.
Yeah, what I know, basically I took a break for like 3 years. Nobody was hearing about Shakin Murray. Everybody was like wondering, oh, what happened to Shakin Murray? And my inbox, my Facebook inbox and email was full of messages. What happened to Shakin Murray? You stop doing music or what? You know what I mean? And people was like rebelling against me and said, no, we need you in this thing.
Shaka,
progress
so progress.
Me just take up back my whip, you know, and jump in a saddle and decide, say, oh, I gotta deal with the thing. You know what I mean? And you don't know.
Well, it's a gift for you to come back. It's a special present in the music industry, you know.
Yes.
Because as you see, we are return now that people even have broke them neck.
Yes, I.
For really, you see how stupid the music get and it start to revolute a stupid kind of attraction.
Yeah, well,
so right now you out of the industry, it would be even 20% more stupid.
Right, brother, I tell you.
So I respect the coming back after all those years.
Yeah, man, and I try to keep it. I try to keep it as positive as possible. You know what I mean?
Well, that is a fact. You know? If you keep it positive, that is the best fact.
Because that's the music that live forever, you know?
Yes, you see, your music, them can't throw it on the counter.
No.
Right now.
No.
After the